let's take a look at the Zenable IDE integration. So pretty much everybody is using AI tools to write code nowadays, whether it's fully agentic and you're just saying, build me the software and letting the agentic loops figure it all out and do more of a vibe coding style approach. Or if you're doing autocomplete and you're hitting tab a bunch of times to finish some refactor work or writing a new function or a method based off of a comment that you wrote, you're using AI either way. And so the IDE integration is an MCP server we can set up with two configuration files and get extremely fast context-aware review of our code. So let's get started by going to docs.zenable.io, going to our MCP quick start, and we're going to set this up for Cursor, but it works pretty much the same for Windsurf or VS Code or any of the other competitors. If we go to Cursor settings and then Cursor settings, and we go to MCP tools, add a custom MCP. We're going to just paste that big block in here, save and close, and you should see that come up fairly quickly. Then we're going to go to rules. We've got some example rules that you can put in here, and this just instructs our IDE to actually call the Zenable MCP tool. Now that that's done, we can show an example. So write a purposefully vulnerable example.py script, and we'll fix up our typos a little bit. And so what Cursor is going to do is exactly what I asked it to do, right? It made this file, and it's got hard-coded creds, command injection, and insecure deserialization, right? So it made the vulnerable example script. And then what we see here is because we set up that IDE integration, it automatically fixed all of those issues. So it fixed the command injection, the insecure deserialization, and the hard-coded credentials. Oh, and information disclosure. There we go. There's even a fourth one there. So it fixed all of the things that it could find, and it did that purely based off of best practices, right? All of those are bad ideas. We should avoid them. On top of that, you can import custom security policy requirements, maybe contractual requirements, maybe it's just ticket details or product requirements. You feed that into the Zenable system, and it's going to do that same level of review. So while you're writing or asking the AI to write you code, or if you're doing tab and then saving the file, it's going to do that peer review, and it's going to pull in that context, whatever's relevant to your environment, and then automatically suggest to your AI agents the ways to fix that.